Hello, on this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Visual Studio project using both the new defaults and the old default when it comes to the top statements. When you first open Visual Studio, you're gonna see a window similar to this one. So I'm gonna click on Create New Projects and then Console App and then click on Console App. If this is not there, just do a search for Console App and then this option will show up for you. So I'm gonna click on Next. I'm gonna give it a name and then click Next again. And here I have the option to do not use top level or use top level. I'm gonna leave it checked for now. And this is gonna create a project for me with the old default. So I'm gonna click on Create. And here you see all the top statements, which is the namespace, the class, and the static. So this here is the old default for Visual Studio projects. So now I'm gonna open Visual Studio again, and I'm gonna create another project, Console App again, click Next, My Test number 2, click on Next, and this time I'm going to uncheck this option. I'm gonna click on Create, and Visual Studio creates a new project for me. But notice that this time we're missing the top statements. Now, it's not the top statement is not here. It is the top statements are hidden. So it is just a simpler way to see your projects. So old default, you see all the top options, and then new default, you don't see the top options. Now, you can easily go back and forth. So if you are on the old default, just click on any line on the top, then click on this light bulb, and then convert to top level statements. And that will hide everything and convert it to the new default. And if you wanna go back, click here on this screwdriver and then convert to program.main, and you go back to your old default. All right, so this is the new default, the one that doesn't show the top statements, but keep in mind the top statements are there, they're just hidden. And this here is the old default where the top statements are there and they are visible. So both of them are gonna work just as fine. So if I run this program with the old default works. And if I try with the new default, it will work just as fine. So both of them work. This is old and this is new. All right, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.